In this video, we're going to show you how to install an app using Self-Service. Self-Service looks like this guy right here, and it's installed on every student iPad and teacher iPad. We're going to go ahead and tap on that. You'll see a gray screen, and if you swipe down with your finger, that will refresh the screen. Let me do that one more time. You'll see you'll get a little refresh bar there. That sometimes when you load, you don't get anything, you'll just have a gray screen. So swiping your finger down takes care of that. Over here at the top, there's three dots here, and there are different categories. So like if I want to look at Apple apps, these are my Apple apps. And you'll notice that I've installed all of these already. So if you see a reinstall, that just means that if you want to, you can reinstall it again. It doesn't delete the data, but I could, if I want to, go ahead and tap reinstall and go ahead and tap, and you'll see that now that it's going to go ahead and do a reinstall. If I go back to my home screen here, let's look for Keynote. Oh, Keynote's down here in my dock. I'll be able to go ahead and do a restall of that. Let's go back into Self-Service, and the categories you see that we have a whole bunch of apps that are listed alphabetically, so you could just scroll down to find one. Or if you go down here at the bottom, there's a little search button there, and then go in here and search for something. There's Chatterpix. I have not installed this before, therefore it has an install button. Tap one time. Progress will start. If I stay on this screen, eventually that button's going to show reinstall. So there it goes. And so if you want to see if it's being installed, just tap your home button, go to the most recent screen, or the next screen. Here you go, you'll see Chatterpix is installing, and you'll get a little progress here, and when it's done, it'll brighten up there. And now Chatterpix is ready to go. And that's how you install apps using Self-Service.